Patreon.com/ShadesandTrades if you want to join the private Discord for trade alerts. Cool, thanks man. I made over 50%. I'm really excited. Advice on when to buy and sell makes the difference of thousands of dollars. So again, Patreon.com/ShadesandTrades for trade alerts. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about the purple line. People always ask me, what is this purple line? What's so special about it? And in this video, we're going to go over it. It's very simple. It's a line and it's purple. That's the sarcastic answer to that. It's a line, it's purple. But the reality is the stock loves to come down to this purple line on the weekly time frame, sometimes the daily time frame, and sometimes on the monthly. The point is, when it comes down here, number one, you're getting a massive discount from highs, right? 32 sitting at 16, 50% off. It was at 18 back then came down to around $8. Isn't that interesting? You get a fat 50% plus discount on SoFi stock if you use the purple line as a buy signal. And it is right at the purple line right now. So this is technically a buy. I am looking to buy calls actually on this if it does hold up. But if it doesn't, then I'm not interested in it. So that is not unique to this stock. You go to the weekly time frame on IonQ and what do you see? It's the exact same thing. It came down to the purple line at around 27 and since then it has doubled. You can go to the daily time frame. There's the purple line. Every time it comes down to this purple line, it's been a money maker. And every time it's gone under the purple line, it's nothing more than opportunity to buy the dip for the next cycle up. So if you buy at the purple line, you save yourself from buying the top. Number one. Number two, not only do you save yourself from buying the top, but you get to load at a 50% discount plus. And then on the reversal back to new highs, you make a lot of money because you're not holding the bag all the way up there at highs, hoping that it comes back up for you so you can unbag yourself. So that is the power of the purple line. It's really, guys, really, it's just a line and it's purple. It's arbitrary. The genius part is that it just saves you from buying the top. Like you're just not going to buy the top ever because you're never going to buy tops. You're never going to buy high and hold a bag because you're always buying at a discount. You're always buying when it's cheap. The only reason you would buy a top or high is because you're stupid and have no discipline, because you're just an idiot, really. That's what it is. You're just dumb. Like you just have no discipline. You don't. If you have discipline, you just wait for the purple line because you can see it's a moneymaker. Every single time you buy at a 50% discount. Why would you buy when it's expensive? I don't know. That's just dumb. Some people are just dumb like that. I don't know. So really, the purple line it's a line for dummies, people who don't know any better, right? And but that's where the real money is made. It's buying cheap, not buying high. So that's it. That's the explanation of the purple line. You can go through any stock and it's going to have an effect on it, right? The purple line here on DGXX, every time it goes under this purple line, what a huge discount here at $1.20, then it ran to $3.50. Came back under the purple line and then ran again. Purple line, ran again. Purple line, running right now as we speak. So every time it comes down to this purple line, it's just a moneymaker, right? You're not buying high. You're not going to buy here at $7. You're an idiot if you do, right? You're just dumb. You can't be patient. You can't be disciplined and wait for it to come down. I mean, I just showed you it always comes back down. Always comes back down. Always, 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 always. The people who buy the tops here are the ones that are, they're just dumber than you at that point. If you're dumb enough to buy high, well, guess what? There might be people dumber than you. But you're not dumb. You're smart. You're watching this video. You're trying to understand why this works. And now you know. So slap it on any chart and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, guys.
And I take my chance. Risk is managed. I let